Hello everyone, welcome to Marigold TV. Please, if this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. For those of you that have already subscribed, thank you very much. So my people, I hope you see this video wey dey here. Now this video I want to talk about. In fact, why be say some people dey very wicked? Wetin just dey for some of dis Nigeria people mind na just evil. Some of them no dey like good thing. Anything about celebration, they never want to see you to celebrate. Instead of them to join you, to happy, to congratulate you, wetin some of those evil one go do na to come that your party, that your ceremony, that your marriage, that thing wey be say they know say e go give you joy. Wetin dem go do, dem come there, come bring bad luck, come give you. See this woman now, she dey celebrate wetin she dey celebrate. Na so somebody just come use hand rub her belle. What is the meaning of that thing? Without being told, person go easily know say that woman just come try to bring bad luck so that tomorrow she go come get one problem or the other. Maybe she wan come get pikin. Why? Is it a crime to do marriage again for Nigeria? Is it a crime to call other people, friends and well-wishers for celebration? Person go use the money to take organize a marriage. Person go use the money to take organize that thing where he or she want make she celebrate. The next thing, the minute when that person don't do that thing enter house, you go say problem upon problem go start to dey flow for that person home. Wetin that person not face the experience before he or she do that party, you go see everywhere go turn upside down. My people, e don reach the time wey be say many of una wan do party, make una no dey let people dey spray for una again. After all, before you set your party up, na you get your money wey you take set am up. Nobody give you money to take organize am. So you no go organize your marriage or your ceremony just because say you wan use am take make money. So it's hard time for many of you out there to stop telling people not to spray for you again. And if you now want even see dance, make people, those friends and well-wishers, make them they give una gap away or una go sit down. Because if you sit down, it go dey very hard before those kind of evil people go come close. Cause they want to come touch your belly as they take touch this woman belly so. Because if that kind of thing happen, you go ask that person wetin use am mean. You understand? So I beg my people, because many people they pass through pain, many people they pass through tears for their marriage, for their home, because they not really know who bring bad luck to them, who bring bad money to them. If, for example, say, okay, you don't want make you tell people make they not spray for you, make them spread the money for ground, or na go put bulb, put mats, put something for ground, who go spray for na go dey spray for them, na go sit down, they go dey spread the money for inside that place. The money no go touch una. After they don't still do finish, una don't finish that ceremony. If na marriage, whichever thing una dey do, na dey celebrate that very day, una carry that money, carry and go church, make them pray, put. Yes. Even you yourself go fit still pray for that money, anoint am. In case anybody come bring money wey be say e no dey good, money wey go cause problem for your home, money wey go cause setback for your home, you go use prayer to destroy that evil power on that money. Because this time you don't know who to trust. The people wey you think say no go fit do you anything, now those ones now they do something now. Some of them they go hide themselves, they go hide their face. If they no fit come out, oh, I can't deal with you, they go send person on their behalf to represent them, to come carry that evil mission. My people, I beg, all those things where everybody they see for this social media, now just to make people to use and learn. If you are clever enough, what you see that is happening to people out there, quickly use it to learn. Don't let it happen to you first. Because evil people they have there, many will not just like your happiness, then plenty. If I go even talk one thing now, some of them not go feel believe am or bet. Not only the people who really they very wise and smart enough now go believe this thing I want to talk so. Make I let una know. Una say, friends are very good. Out of all those friends wey they follow the waka, many not like you because of one reason or the other. Especially if you can't be say you can't be comfortable, pass that your friend. Some of them fit just pretend like say they like you, they love you. They don't love you. Make your enemy fall for problem. If they see wetin go bring you down, some of them go do am. Abi una never see where friend go even carry a friend name, go pastor place, go different places, just to go try to bring that person down to the level where then themselves dey. Sometimes some of them they say enemy dey, but your closest people are your enemy. Those people when you leave, when you don't come out for your life, when you say, this person do you something, you leave am, you just kind of kick am out because he or she quickly show the kind of person where they be to you. Those ones not be your enemy again, because all those ones they don't know what they go on for your life. That very day when you live there, now that day now they know what it concern you reach. But the one when you can carry from there, the new chapter of that battalions of friends when you they carry the waka, now there different type of person day. The good day, the bad day, the ugly day, the hater day, the jealousy one day. Hey, out of all those ones, and out of all those pack where some of them they pack when they call friends. Friends they very good, make una not get me wrong, but it's better to keep your circle so small. If you keep your circle so small, when anything they happen, you go know where those things from they come. And at the same time, it not be everything you need to tell people where they close to you. Yes, they get your privacy, they get your private. Talk some, keep some, because people don't need to know so much about you. The time you go give so much out to people, now that time, that your friend, that person where they close to you, now that time will get opportunity to take kind of come into your life. That is why today we now go see some people life go they destroy. So good they think say their family member. So good they think say people where they gather fight. Sometimes some of them want they know say now people who now call una party they bring una down. Make una dey clever, my people. Always keep your circle small. But for this one, we just happen to this woman. So much feel for this woman, they need to go look for this woman out. They need to. It's so painful, the way people go carry their money, don't go to do party finish. Come when you can celebrate with them. Come when you can enjoy. At the end of the day, the invitees when you invite come. Among them, one or two evil one go there. And it not be everybody where can join person can celebrate. It not be all of them mind really they good to you. So my people, make una use this one until learn. So dey very, very careful. If you want to do party, if you can do without them spraying for you, do it. Instead of you to go carry bad luck, come your home because of maybe little money where somebody, one person go spray for you among the thousands of people where really use their good heart to spray for you. One person money will come spoil your enemy life, which is not good. Otherwise, if you cannot still do without it, make dem dey spray am put for ground. MC go come and go see me dem no spray am for now. Make una no near the celebrant abi. There is no need to be standing again, because most of the time, be like say person stand now, na problem. Sit down and people go give you years away. Because evil people dey there. So na so me see my own. No, na fit still give una own opinion, because this thing just dey really, it really just dey heartbroken. Look at the pain where this woman will be just dey go through. And we say cameraman no see this woman. See wetin happen here now. Nobody know wetin use am. Me, of course, because nobody dey nobody wey no know wetin, sorry to say, nobody wey no go understand the purpose of that thing, that hand wey that woman take touch am. E fit be say na bad luck use am go take bring come for am. So please, my people, so that is it. Thank you very much, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.